This past summer, Ford Motor Company introduced us to the new F-150 being offered for the 2021 model year. Ford F-150, the best-selling pickup truck since 1977. We have been in conventional F-150s a few times over the last few years. Check out our Queer4Cars.com blog and this channel for those reviews. This September, Ford invited us to see the new 2021 Ford F-150 Hybrid in platinum trim on the banks of the Potomac River in National Harbor, Maryland. While we did not get to drive this brand new pickup, we did have the chance to do a walk around and get inside and check it out. We think this F-150 will be a game changer for anyone who uses their truck to build or make things, because this truck can power electrical, power tools with the available Pro Power on board. The all-new 2021 F-150 raises the standard for all light-duty trucks with the most towing, payload, torque, and horsepower of any light-duty full-size pickup.
William West Hopper, and I'm here with Automotive Business Report and Queer4Cars, and we're with the new Ford F-150, the hybrid version. So check it out. We're going to play around a little bit with it, see what we can come up with. We're going to try some tools on it and some other stuff. Stay tuned.
While there is not a lot of change in the look of a pickup truck from brand to brand, Ford has freshened this F-150 up on the outside, making it one very sweet looking and rugged pickup, with some design details that you will immediately notice, like the updated headlight design, the new power dome hood and wraparound bumper, the new grille, high front fenders, a tucked-in midsection and larger diameter tires, pulled out 3/4 of an inch, create a stronger, more powerful stance on and off-road, giving it a more tailored but still quite masculine look that will attract buyers to this F-150 pickup. Functional upgrades throughout include available LED headlights and tail lamps, and available full-length extended power running boards with kick switch that provides better truck-side cargo box accessibility. The new F-150 is also the most aerodynamic ever. New active grille shutters, a new automatically deploying active air dam, and a new cab and tailgate geometry all work together to reduce drag and improve fuel consumption on every truck. Ford has always provided a comfortable cabin for its F-150 users, and now more than ever we need remote workspaces. Actually, this is nothing new for anyone who has ever worked out of their truck on a daily basis. While Ford has designed in a new standard glove box, what's really worth noting is the front seat area is that the gear shift disappears into the console, providing a place to set up a worktop space that covers the console. You can operate your computer, take care of paperwork, or even serve a meal on this flat surface. Then when you need to get back on the road, fold the surface up, push a button, and the gear shift lever reappears in its rightful place. While I'm not a big proponent of screens in vehicles, the F-150 now has an all-new 12-inch center screen, standard on XLT and higher series and above. Lower trim levels, you will get an 8-inch screen. The big screen allows customers to split the screen and control multiple functions simultaneously, including navigation, music, or truck features. And speaking of screens, the driver gets one too in an available new 12-inch digital gauge cluster. These are very clear screens and give you a lot of detailed information. Combine them with the cameras on the truck, and this will be extremely useful for those who use their F-150 as a tow vehicle. These screens and the cameras on the vehicle help you hitch up a trailer, as well as backing it up and guiding it into parking spaces. And by the way, the F-150 is capable of parking itself without a trailer, and that really is one very cool feature. And the back seat is just as comfortable as the front, with easy access with 2 full-size doors, a low floor, and even storage under the seats, where you can put pretty much anything you want that you don't want people to see. Maybe your clothes. Yes, there is even plenty of power outlets in the back for those that need to power those extra tools, goodies such as the 120 volt outlet and of course USB outlets and a 12 volt outlet as well. So if you need power, it's right here. The hybrid engine in this prototype was not quite ready for its video debut. Thus, the Ford reps requested that we not show you details of the engine compartment. But we will look forward to the future when we can look at it more closely, as it is the real full-size pickup with an honest-to-goodness hybrid powertrain. Many think that hybrids are just for better fuel economy, and that's just part of the story. This hybrid will provide torque and horsepower needed to manage 12,000 pounds of maximum available towing capacity. Let's look at the business end of this F-150, the bed and tailgate. The new available tailgate work surface boosts productivity at the back end of this truck. For those who use their truck as a tool, power isn't only important under the hood. Available Pro Power onboard expands F-150's capability by bringing generator levels of exportable power to work sites, campsites, and more. The Power Pro onboard is an integrated power generator, which for anyone who uses their pickup to build things or to haul a generator to remote locations, this will indeed be a game changer.
All right, so one of the things that I wanted to find out and show, one of the things that I definitely wanted to work on with this truck, because it has the extra power in the back, is to see if indeed it is enough to power this Sawzall. Now we've tried it out on some other pickups, but there's just never been enough power. Yep. It's running fine. We like that. So yep, it's running just fine. So one of the things that the F-150 hybrid has is this power bank. So there are two 120, 2.4 kilowatt max. And then there is the 240 outlet. There's a 240 30 amp watt with 7.2 kilowatts for a 220, 240 outlet up here. So this works out very well when we went to plug in our tools. So one of the things that Ford has done is put these little notches in here, and you wonder what they're for. Perfect spot to clamp some wood on if you're putting a piece of wood up here. So there's that's there. And it's got the tailgate step. So our day with the Ford F-150 hybrid has been pretty exciting. We tried out our Sawzall, which has worked very well. This is one of the things that this hybrid Ford F-150 is going to do a lot better than the other trucks that are out there. It's going to be able to power electric power tools, not only 120 volt tools, but there's also an outlet for 240 volt there in the bed of the truck. And as we saw earlier, the tailgate of the truck is perfect for using as a workbench. It's got space there and you can clamp onto it and all kinds of good stuff. So that's a great thing.
F-150 is Ford's flagship. It's 100% assembled in America. Every F-150 is proudly assembled at Dearborn's truck plant in Dearborn, Michigan, and the Kansas City assembly plant in Clackamas, Missouri. Since 1948, hardworking F-Series customers have trusted Ford to help them get the job done. As America returns to work, Ford reveals its all-new F-150, and Ford holds itself to the highest standard to making sure Ford's customers can continue to make a difference in their communities. The all-new F-150 is purpose-built to be the toughest, most productive F-150 ever, and targeted to be the most powerful light-duty full-size pickup on the market. This all-new 2021 F-150 will be available this fall. Part of the F-Series lineup that's been America's choice for getting the job done for 43 consecutive years. If you like this video on the Ford F-150 Hybrid, please hit that like button and follow us on our Queer4Cars.com blog and here on this channel for additional reviews of cars and trucks. Even if you're not LGBTQ, we do hope you're queer for cars, and we look forward to having you back again when we review more cars and trucks in the automotive lifestyle. Until then,